Welcome to another vocabulary practice video. Let's learn the months of the year. Ready? Let's go. January, January. February, February. March, March. April, April. May, May. June, June. July, July. August, August. September, September. October, October. November, November. December, December. Now let's read the months of the year a bit faster, paying attention to the stressed syllables. Off we go. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. A bit faster. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. See you next time. Thanks for watching.